Yo, what's going on? We back with another banger video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys a really cool car. Last edition, you already know what it's gonna be, but if you don't, I'll show you. Let's go. All right, here we are on the road. Recording from my phone this time, so let's see how that turns out. We're almost there. As soon as we get there, I'll show ya. What is that? I'm gonna get this car checked about that noise. I'm still hearing it. They're like, oh, we don't hear no noise. I'm like, bruh, the noise is there. I don't know how y'all don't hear it. We finna watch the whip. Whoa. Oh shit, look at that Hellcat, bro. No! He's going through the wrong wash. No, why would you do that, you bum? Hey, bro, if you're watching my video, I'm pretty sure he's not watching it. But who knows? If you run across my video, dog, you're in the wrong one. You're not supposed to go in that one. You're supposed to go in the touchless. There's a reason. Oh my God, bro. Somebody help this man out. Somebody help him out. That's a nice color, though. White with the blue stripes. I'll fuck with it. All right. Matches the South Carolina license plate. This is the right way to do it, yo. Yo. I did the wrong fucking wash, bro. I selected a... Oh my God. That's whatever. At least it's touchless. Ha. Ha. Yeah. Tell me to stop, bitch. Come on now. Oh, okay. There we go. All soaked up, all washed. Where's that cat at, though? I want to see that. They're not gonna lie, that thing looks clean. Look at that. That's clean as fuck. Oh, that's an undercover over there. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. There's an undercover right over there, bro. In black. I don't know if y'all see. I don't think y'all saw him. Here we are, bro. I see a lot of cars. I already see wide bodies, like Challengers and stuff. Oh, they got hella cars. Dang, they got hella cars, yo. What is this, Cat? Oh, that's the Scat pack. Oh, bro, that's the color. That's the color I wanted. Bro, their inventory is crazy. How's it going? They got this green one. Let me show you. They got this green one. Let me show you. So it comes with the silver wheels. So those are the ones on the Hellcat. Is it red eyes? Yeah, the red eyes come with those, but like they're black or bronze. They have different badging. This color is okay. I like it, but there's that. They have two white ones in there. You can kind of see. They have a Challenger, and then they have a Charger white too. Oh, so if we look under the right side on the hood, it says there's like a little plaque that says Swinger Edition Last Call. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's, you know, whatever. It's pretty dope. But here it is. 64. I mean, that's not bad. But if we go on their website, it's kind of up there because they're marking them up. Personally, interior-wise, I mean, it's the same. The stitching is a little bit better because it's like color-coded to the car. So if your car is green, then it matches that color. Other than that, finger badge, just like a Daytona. I don't know, bro. Then we have the Daytona right here. Same thing. It's not a wide body. These are wide body. The badges are different. This one has like a 392. And then we got mine. Come on. That? You taking that red one? Or are you taking this? I do fuck with the wheels, not gonna lie. I would take this just because it's the last call. And that they're gonna hold, or their value is gonna be up higher than just a regular, you know, wide body Scat. The wide body Scats hold their value. They are going up. I'll show you the white one. I don't know if they're gonna let me record, but hey, fuck it, we're gonna go in. The badges are clean. I don't know why they don't have a Scat logo on there, bro. I really no sunroof. Smells really clean. The gauges are white. That's crazy. Oh, that's nice. I don't know. Challengers came with that. Yeah, that's the stitching I was talking about. I'm not gonna slam the door. It ain't my car. That thing is now silver instead of black. This is what I like. This is what I like, bro. This shit is so nice. See, I would take this over mine. It's really hard, but mainly the wheels. I love these wheels. I wish mine came with these wheels. And then there's the sticker. Base price 50, 64, 700. Not a lot of dealerships have these. That badge is different. And then same thing like a Daytona. We got these. But yeah, they need to get rid of that because that's gonna fuck up the paint, bro. Let me show you. Yep. So the stitching is like colored, and then everything else is the same as mine. Just, you know, like that's blacked out. You're on the other side. Gauges are the same on this. I think the Challengers come with different gauges just in general. And then mine has a B. This has the little two Dodge things, which are color coded. No sunroof. That's crazy. Everything else is the same. See, I know how to close these doors. I don't know how to close them Challenger doors. But yeah, we got a big body TRX. Pretty body. Let me go say bye to him. The purple one that over there, that one's sold. It's just wide body. But it does have a technology package, like that little dome, lane assist and all that. But yeah, there's mine. Beautiful, pretty, nice steering wheel. Hello, welcome back. Oh, let's go. Here's the purple one I was talking about. They just sold it. Look, they got a bunch of cars lined up though. Oh yeah, but the silver one, bro. That's silver. I mean, not silver. I'm sorry. That purple is pretty, yo. So that was it. I'll show you how much they're charging for them. A screenshot of it. But on the website, they are selling them for like 70 something. I mean, it is last call. They make 1,000 of them, so it makes sense. Whatever. They're gonna mark them up regardless. That was the video. Don't forget to like. Stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.